Okay guys, I'm back, so let's just start where we left off. I'm going to finish getting these supplies ready for the maintenance part of the fence, but let me show you what I came up with for a way to close my gate. I took an old piece off of a trunk lock gate latch, and I had to go and buy another new piece, but I put that on the inside of the picket, and then all I have to do is flap that over, turn it, and then it's secure. That's exactly what I was looking for. $2 fix. And now the dogs can't get out of it. So back to the fence maintenance. First I'm going to just clean the yard up and kind of get things together. Take account of what I'm doing. And I am untwisting the ties that are around the PVC pipe and the fence panel pieces. So I'm going to untie all of those all the way down. That way I have a little room to work with, kind of stand my poles up so I can see where I'm going with them. But once I get all of those untied, and if you notice there is a tie at the top, a tie in the middle, and a tie way at the bottom. You want to get that tie at the bottom as close to the bottom as possible, because if not, the dogs mine's tried, will dig right there. But since that was tied up so tight down at the bottom, they just left it alone. And at the same time, I think they eat good enough not to go away. So I'm pulling up that pole and putting the rebar down and then just re-tapping them down. I moved them up a little bit out of the spot that they were in, since that spot was weak. And remember, there's nothing down there, no cement or anything. I just got a rebar with a PVC pipe with some wire ties, and I'm just tying the fence up to it. So every now and then you have to adjust it just a little bit. That side of the fence, my neighbor has 3 small dogs over there, so my dogs tend to jump on that side of the fence more than anything. The other side of the yard, my neighbor also has dogs over there, but we have a chain link fence in between us. So when I get done straightening up these parts, and I ended up going around the back, guys. Once I looked at it, I had to go around the back. I just didn't film it all. And now I'm going back and I'm just tapping that PVC pipe down a little bit more, just to, stand them up, give it a little bit more stability. And now I'm going back and putting some of my extra pieces in between the panels right there, just to stiffen that side up a little more, since the dogs tend to jump over there because of my neighbor's dogs. And again, same process: rebar, PVC, tie the fence up, then go back, tap your PVC pipe and everything down a little bit more. And as you can see, that fence does look, it's straighter, and it is a little, it's a lot more, stable than it was. And at some point, I'll probably go back and just add more pieces all the way through it. Yep, looks good to me. So now let's test it out. And there's Muffin and there's Brownie, and they're jumping on it. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Fran at Officially Fran's.